Namaste, namaskar. Good morning, distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor to have the chance to speak and to share some view with you. I'm working at higher education, so today I'm going to talk about something about education. And actually, it is related to the industry involvement. So my topic is Industry 4.0 and Education 4.0 with some future landscape down the road. First, of course, I will let you know where I'm from. I'm from National Tsinghua University. It's located in Hsinchu, so-called Taiwan Silicon Valley, surrounded by a lot of national labs and partner universities, Taiwanese Fraunhofer Institute, if you like, so-called. So many ecological system growing there. And we are another mid-sized university with 800 tenure-track professors, 16,000 students, about half graduate students. We are considered world top 10 if you consider the size of the faculty members less than 1,000, and considered top 3 in the Greater China region. So today my talk will be divided in 3 parts. One is I will talk about the industry, how it evolves from 1.0 to 4.0, and then the education from similarly 1.0 to 4.0, and then about the higher education projections. In the history, the industry and the education have been cross-linked closely. Onefold, the industry facilitates the education, starting from the road, classroom, all the infrastructure building, and so on. On the other hand, the industry also inspires the need for education. For example, when there are IT industry, people are inspired to get educated, and so on. And on the other hand, education supports the talent for the industry. When there's such an industry, there's a need for talent and the need for education. So education supports the need for industry to develop further. And also, in education, the innovation and the new knowledge will inspire the new opportunity, new business, new industry. Look at the new apps, new startups, we know what it means. So these are cross-linked. So at different time of history, the industry and the education actually goes hand in hand. So in the following, I will try to unfold the similarity there. First of all, of course, the industry is evolving from the traditional textile industry to the modern intelligent robotics. And if we look at the so-called Industry 1.0, that is the age of James Watt, where the steam power replaces manual production. So the famous London fog, actually, probably one part of it is due to the burning of the coal. So that is the age of Industry 1.0. And at the age of Industry 2.0, the need and the demand went into a positive cycle. So there's a huge need for mass production. So the previous mode of production cannot satisfy the need. So there's, along with the development of mechanical engineering, basically, so there's a sophisticated production line set up. So the famous is the Ford model assembly line. And if you remember the film by Chaplin, very deeply described the relationship between man and the production line. So that is the age. And into the 20th century, when the electronics and particularly electronics engineering getting sophisticated, each production cell or each production line is equipped with sensors and automation technology. So the whole production plant is becoming manless, or so-called no-light factory. The factory may not be quiet, but it can be totally dark. There's no man serving the production, and full automated production is achieved, and that is need for mass production purpose. Now into the 21st century, when the information technology developed further, the cross-linking between production and design, between the customer need and to the marketing, everything all is connected. It is further from the production automation, but into connection of all data, so-called big data, and cloud computing, analysis, or even artificial intelligence, system integration, everything integrated. And the direction or the purpose for this development, probably one of them is the further individualization. So the custom-made product is more and more wanted, and traditional mass-produced products still there, but more individualized products are more welcome. So this only can be achieved through this cross-linked production and so-called Industry 4.0